So, hi, my name is Rosie, and I am an independent Color Street stylist. I just started, so this is our unboxing video for the stuff. And Allie's gonna be helping me, so she's gonna be my helper. So I kind of went into this because of her, because she loves to do her nails. As a matter of fact, I haven't even opened it, so I'm opening it right now because we just got it like a couple minutes ago. Actually, yeah, several minutes ago. But I got into this because Allie really liked it. I had a friend who introduced me to it, and so I liked the product very much, and so I bought more for her, and I bought more for myself, and she's actually wearing some right now, and it's the Halloween collection. Do it without moving your head so they can see. And so that's one of the Halloween collections, and what I like about Color Street is that they have all these different styles and different holiday seasons that come out every season. So when I open this box, ooh, these are so pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. One fell out. So this is what it looks like. So it comes with some twosies. Of course, these are the twosies. These are samples. If you want a sample, please go ahead and send me a message in private. And Tommy's saying hi. Send me a message in private, and I can send you a sample so that you can try. I've already started sending some of what I've already had in hand, and hopefully you get them soon. So these are all the samples, and they look like they're all beautiful, same colors, but that's awesome. And then it comes with two nail buffers, and these are for us to try or to like give out as for whoever wants to try that. And it does come with two nail files. These are really nice. I like the cases. You like that? Those are cool, huh? So they come with two nail files, and they come with all these beautiful, beautiful strips. Let's see, can you grab those? So we have this one, and this one, and this one's and this one right here is for your feet. Oh, this one is for your feet. And this one is also, you can also, any of these products you can also use as on your feet, and they're not necessarily for your feet, but you can, they are made for wider beds and smaller beds. These are also in there. These are also in there. I wore these not too long ago. These are really pretty. This one is really nice, and I like that one. And that one right there that Allie's holding, that is for the smaller nail beds, and those are the tiny nail beds. And so like they're perfect for little girls. And then there's this one, which is very fall-like, which I like. And then, all right, you showed, so give me the ones that you've showed. This one? You showed this one? So I'm gonna put this one down. Show the other ones. And there's more of those. That one's really nice. Put it down so we don't get it mixed up. And those are right there are the French tip for the French manicure. And this one's also another one. All right, and then we're gonna put all these back in here. And then there's another layer that comes out, and if we look, it looks like this. And so this product was created by a gentleman that was going to work one day, and he was actually in New York, and when he got into the taxi cab, the lady in another cab was painting her nails, and he was like, there has to be some kind of way for her to be able to do her nails and not get them messed up, because you know, when you're in a rush, you're just trying to paint them and you're like, you know, try not to get them messed up. And so he created this product, and it's I love it. I love it. And so his name is Fa Park. That's the creator of it, and he has launched this product for many people to, like, you know, for women to like use in an everyday life. And he thought about women on how it's really hard to like manage things, and so many of us are always busy, and that's one of the reasons he created that product. And let's continue. And if you need to know or want to know how to put these on, just let me know and I'll send you some information on how to put them on if you have purchased the product. And also in this kit comes a bag. And in the bag is this bag. And then, you know, we can put all our water bottles, you know, whatever. I mean, you know, stuff it with all the stuff that we got, right? And then it comes with a welcome letter, small little welcome letter. And some informations. These are informations about all of the nail polishes and the colors, different colors. You can open that one up. You got it? And so it has all these pamphlets, and when you open it up, you'll have all the different colors. That's all in there. And a lot of times they do sell out, but they do try to restock very quickly. And as they restock, they send us information when the restocks are available, so that way we can let our customers know. So don't ever worry, unless it's a seasonal product. It is a limited edition, and so the seasonal ones do not get restocked that very often. And so this one is about Color Street. If you want to become a consultant or a stylist, this is also for that. And then it comes with nail files. These are so cute, and there's 2 of them. And some little, and that's a road to success little journal type booklet. And it does come with some little cuticle nail pushers. And what are these? These are the, let me see what it says, nail prep pads. And the nail prep pads are basically alcohol, and it takes off all of the like the oils, the stuff that will not allow the nail polish to adhere to your nail. I do recommend that when you get them to use either the nail prep pad or an alcohol swab to clean your nails. If you do not have any nail polish on them, then just go ahead and use that. That way the nail polish adheres. And this is a product that I enjoy a lot, because during the times when Allie was a lot smaller, even now, if she was to use a nail polish, she does not know how to keep them from getting smeared or messed up. And this nail polish, they do come 95%. There's a percentage of how dry they are, and so that's why they come in a little pack. Once you open the pack, they start to dry. So the way I recommend to close these is to use a flat iron and seal them back up for the unused product. And then that way you can continue to use them for another time or next time. But Allie loves it. She loves to do her own nails, and so we will be selling these. And if you, like I said, if you want a sample, please go ahead and message me, and I will send you a sample so that you can try it out for yourself. Okay?